Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can join Crystal League in Clash of Clans. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. When you join Crystal League, you get 253 gems in Clash of Clans. So as you can see on the screen right now, you can join the Crystal League by getting 20,000 trophies or more. I mean, this is pretty basic knowledge, but a lot of people still don't know that you gain trophies by attacking. So when you attack, you can see over on the left how much trophies you get. If you win, you get a certain amount of trophies while you lose trophies. If you lose the game, you just need to rack up enough trophies for you to get to the Crystal League, and then you get 250 gems. You also get more free gems if you join Master at 2600 or Champion at 3200. Trophies. Just earn trophies by attacking and you can get into the Crystal League. So that's how you can join Crystal League in Clash of Clans. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.